Did you know the secret to youthful, glowing skin might already be in your kitchen? That's right, I'm talking about green tea. While many people know about green tea's health benefits, few are aware of its incredible potential when it comes to skincare, especially for anti-aging. This natural powerhouse does so much more than boost metabolism or relax the mind. Hi everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome back to Sarah's Health and Beauty. In today's video, we're diving into why green tea deserves a spot in your skincare routine and how it can help you maintain healthy, radiant, youthful-looking skin. You may wonder, what's so special about green tea that makes it stand out in skincare? The answer lies in its potent mix of antioxidants, vitamins, and nutrients. Green tea contains polyphenol, particularly catechins like EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, known for their remarkable ability to combat skin damage caused by free radicals. These free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage your skin's DNA, speeding up aging and causing wrinkles. By neutralizing these free radicals, green tea protects your skin and keeps it looking fresh and youthful. It's like nature's fountain of youth, bottled up in every cup. When it comes to anti-aging, green tea is a game changer. One of its most impressive benefits is its ability to fight free radicals. These harmful molecules cause oxidative stress, sagging skin, fine lines, and wrinkles. But with regular use of green tea in your skincare routine, you can reduce these signs of aging dramatically. Green tea not only fights damage but helps rejuvenate your skin. It does this by regenerating skin cells. The antioxidants in green tea help accelerate the process of cell turnover, allowing new, healthy cells to rise to the surface. Boosting collagen production. Collagen is the protein responsible for skin's firmness and elasticity. Green tea enhances collagen production, reducing wrinkles and sagging. Protecting against UV damage. The sun's harmful UV rays are a leading cause of premature aging. Green tea acts as a shield, offering protection from these rays and minimizing sunspots. Green tea is a powerful antioxidant called catechins, particularly EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. These antioxidants fight free radicals, unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress, leading to fine lines, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. Inflammation is a major contributor to premature aging. The polyphenol in green tea have strong anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce redness, irritation, and puffiness. This makes it perfect for sensitive or aging skin prone to inflammation and flare-ups. Green tea is a fantastic detoxifier. It flushes out toxins that can accumulate in your skin over time, reducing dullness and promoting a brighter complexion. This detoxifying effect can give you clearer, smoother, and more radiant skin, making it a perfect ingredient for anyone looking to achieve that natural, youthful glow. One of green tea's lesser-known benefits is its ability to hydrate and nourish the skin. It helps balance moisture levels and strengthen the skin barrier for maintaining soft, supple skin. A well-hydrated face is less likely to show wrinkles and fine lines, giving you that youthful glow we crave. Green tea isn't just for soothing the skin, it's also fantastic for acne prevention. Thanks to its antibacterial properties, green tea can help clear up breakouts and reduce acne scars. It tackles excess sebum production to clogged pores and pimples. If you're dealing with oily skin, green tea is a natural way to regulate sebum production. Its gentle, non-drying nature makes it a great addition to your skincare routine, especially if you want to avoid harsh chemicals that could cause more harm than good. Exfoliation is key to maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Green tea acts as a natural exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. By regularly exfoliating with green tea, your skin will appear smoother, brighter, and more even-toned. Are you tired of waking up with puffy eyes or dark circles? The caffeine and antioxidants in green tea can help reduce puffiness and brighten the delicate skin around your eyes. It tightens the skin, making it a perfect natural remedy for those dreaded under-eye bags. You might be wondering how to use green tea for amazing benefits. Should you apply it topically or drink it? The good news is, you can do both. Start by drinking green tea daily to nourish your skin from within. Use green tea-infused toners, moisturizers, or masks as part of your morning and evening routines. Consistency is key to skincare, and green tea works best when used regularly. Here's a simple green tea face mask recipe. Mix 1 tablespoon of matcha green tea powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt into a smooth paste. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Enjoy your refreshed, glowing skin. Green tea is truly a powerhouse for your skin. Its anti-aging benefits, combined with its ability to fight inflammation, protect against UV damage, and boost collagen production, make it an essential addition to any skincare routine. Whether you drink it or apply it topically, green tea is a natural remedy that will leave your skin feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and youthful. Embrace the magic of green tea and watch your skin glow with vitality.